You bad like that, you know. But I'm the one that eats your pain. I know.
Baby, welcome to the party. I'm off the money to in the lane. That's why I'm over retarded. Baby, welcome to the party. I hit the boy up and then I go skate in a Rari. Baby, welcome to the party.
Baby, welcome to the party. I got the X, the shrooms, the acid. Yes, you can see I'm a savage. I'm trying to home, I'm a savage. Baby, welcome to the party. She pulled up in the Benz, she came with a friend. I told her meet my nigga Bari. I'm a villain, I'm feeling like Carti. Yeah, you see the fit, I'm a dilate. I beat it, I bust and I dip. I told the witch stop following me. She stalking me, she tryna ruin my trip. These niggas coming round screaming gang, gang. I ain't never seen you on the strip. Never ever had the peps in your mouth. Never ever had the tool in the whip.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another day in the vlog, I guess. Y'all, it's been some days, okay? It's been a lot of days. It's Friday. Happy Friday. And y'all know what I do on Fridays. I go to therapy, all right? So right now, I am waiting for my Uber. I have no idea why I'm out of breath. Like, all I did was walk up the stairs. Like, am I that out of shape? Jesus. But anyways, you guys, I am waiting for my Uber right now. And then I am going to Uber to my therapy appointment. After that, we are going to come home. We are going to chit-chat a little bit because I want to be real with y'all in some areas, okay? And then I'm going to clean up my space. It is time for me to just kind of take control of my life. And I'm going to say that for now. But anyways, yeah. Like I said, good morning. Let's go ahead and get today started. You guys, okay, so I just finished up with my therapy appointment. My camera is getting ready to die. Oh, y'all can't really see me. Okay, it's better right here. But anyways, you guys, we just finished with our therapy appointment. I'm just sitting outside waiting for my Uber to get here. My camera is getting ready to die, and that's okay, but we are getting ready to head to the nail shop so that I could get my nails done, you guys. We're not finna let not having a car stop us right now, okay? So I'm just gonna do some stuff to just kind of like pick my spirits up, and right now my hands are super ugly, and something can be done about that. So well, let's get ready to head to the nail shop and take care of these nails. So in case the camera dies, I might see y'all at the nail shop, might see you at home. Damn now. All right.
This one thing you did, oh, it's this one thing.
y'all, I look a mess. All right, since the kids have been gone, I'll update y'all on that because it's actually been a minute since I picked up the camera to vlog. Okay, but my kids have been gone and I've been sleeping in. It's been getting crazy. So I feel like I just need a restart. I need to get my life together. So that is what I'm going to spend the day doing, getting my life together. So yeah, like I said, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and let's go ahead and get into it. I need to stop talking because first of all, I haven't even brushed my teeth or anything like that. Like, So let me go handle that and I'm gonna be back and we gonna chit chat. All right, let's go ahead and open up some of these blinds in here. Okay. Anyways, hey guys, so we in the glam room. I just finished up with my shower and everything like that and getting ready. So I know I was supposed to sit down. I wanted to sit down and do my makeup and stuff like that, but I'm not going to get a chance to do that immediately. I actually need to run to Enterprise so that I can grab a car rental. Y'all, your girl has been like lifting and Ubering for the past like week or so, and I can't take it no more. I feel like I'm paying more in Ubering and lifting than I am with anything else, and I'm like, ugh, okay, let's just see if renting a car is gonna be cheaper. Long story short, y'all, your girl was in a car accident and it ended up totaling out the vehicle. So now right now I don't have a vehicle. However, I didn't want to be hasty in my spending and just go out and start, you know, buying cars and looking at stuff. I actually just wanted to take a step back, reevaluate my finances, look and see what I got going on, how I can cut back or where I can add or just whatever, you know, because being a single mom, I just feel like, you know, the finances just has to be like unlocked. So I just been taking my time with this decision, especially since the kids are away for the summer. Somewhat, we'll get into that a little later, but yeah, that's just on where I'm at with stuff. So right now I'm getting ready to head downstairs, make myself a smoothie, and then we are going to call a Lyft or an Uber, whichever one is cheaper, and we're going to head up to Enterprise and hopefully they have a rental car because I did call up there and no one answered. So I'm like a little annoyed, but I'm like, whatever, I'm just gonna step out on faith. I'm gonna go up there, hopefully they have something, and if they don't have anything that fit the price range that I was looking for, hopefully they accommodate. So I'm just believing it in God, going up there knowing that I have favor, and we'll just see what happens. So yeah, that's the current move. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay y'all, so I didn't put anything fancy in this for the smoothie. I just put pineapples, strawberries, and then at the top I put mangoes, and I'm actually getting ready to add some coconut water to this and just blend it up, and it's going to be amazing. It's going to be just as sweet as I need it to be. It's going to be natural, like everything is good. So if you don't know how to make smoothies, Smoothie 101 is easy. It's going to be bomb, promise you. And the coconut water that I'm using is the Vita Coca coconut water, the original. I like it because it's actually very natural, nothing added or anything like that, and that's what we need. And then I'm just gonna pour enough in there so that everything can be wet. So it's clear, but you can kind of see like where it stops. Right there. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I feel like it has to be, you know, not too thick, but not thin, you know. But that should be perfect. And then I'm gonna be using my magic bullet, y'all. My auntie came in town, and y'all know how y'all aunties just be buying stuff and forget that they can't take it on the plane with them when they leave. That is how that happened. So I went to go and visit, give my hug, say hey before they left town. And she's like, girl, I bought this, can't take it on the plane, do you want it? And I'm like, girl, yes, like I'm a smoothie queen. I love me a good smoothie, day, night, whenever. I love me a good smoothie. So I took it. It's been an asset since. I love it because it's small enough to where my smoothies are personalized. I don't feel like they're too much. I do need to get a bigger blender because I think my NutriBullet is broken. I can't remember, but yeah, eventually we'll be shopping for a new blender. But until then, we're just gonna stick with the magic bullet. It's getting ready to do what it's supposed to do. So yeah, let's go ahead and blend this up and try it out. It's really good. The only reason it's not like super good is because I just brushed my teeth. So, okay, y'all. But anyways, let me go ahead and call a lift, and I will either see y'all in the lift or I will see y'all at Enterprise. So, yeah, see you in a minute.
Say that you're a car and you're not getting it. Well, come on out here with me, and we don't ever want your business again. Like you mother. Well, I don't have that ass book.
Okay, y'all, this lady is so pissed because Enterprise is really taking advantage of her. They had her banking information and they were just withdrawn. So I don't know if these enterprises are like individually owned or what, but as I was getting ready to get a rental, something just was not sounding right in what they were kicking. So I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna argue with nobody. I'm not gonna question nobody. If it doesn't feel right, I'm just gonna dub on it. So called an Uber, and now we're just gonna go back to the house. And I just figured this is one of those things where God is saying, just be still. This is not the time to rent a car. This isn't a time to do anything. You know, just sit and be still and where I happy. So yeah, that lady's move messed up. Mine will not be. We're waiting on our lift, and we're gonna head out of here and go back to the house. And yeah, we're gonna continue doing what we said we were gonna do today, which is try to film. So yeah. I'm sitting outside. It's hot as hell, but it's better being out here than awkward in there, because once I told them they weren't getting my business respectfully, you know, I ain't got time for somebody to look at me with a sad face until my Uber gets here. But yeah. But if you can afford to get Enterprise, if you can afford to get taken advantage of, by all means, do your thing. Won't be me. Okay, y'all. I'm getting ready to water my grass. My stuff dead. And since it's not so hot outside, I figured I would come. Oop, and water my grass. Like a good homeowner is supposed to do. Yeah, y'all, I done put some fertilizer on the grass. So let's see. Y'all, the water ain't watering as much as I would like it. I need an actual, like, sprinkler. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna need to buy a real sprinkler. We gonna get on Amazon and look for one. I don't even want to show y'all what this is doing out here. It looks a mess, though. And it's dead, so it look like I'm just putting water on dead stuff. No, but I'll show y'all. I need to not be that ashamed. It's my yard. We gonna get it together. Guess it's best y'all see the before anyway. Hold on. Yo, this is so ghetto, but it's fine. I mean, my neighbor got some grass, but...
Oh, I have one of those.
You got one of these? Yeah, one nigga.
Is someone filming? Oh, she
Yeah, I just showed her the camera.
Okay, don't show her me with this sprinkler
nigga,
system. We trying to work the sprinkler system out.
You said you a sprinkler system. Go ahead, water that grass, my nigga.
Don't put me on.
All right, bro, I'm good. I'm getting kind of itchy. You know, my eczema started to act up.
Oh my gosh, you're just not gonna feel me long. Come on, be a team player with my vlog.
Nah, I don't know what it is. I think it is eczema. When I
times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all, and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it, I've been scheming, doing, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You know. In the top top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not valid on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a roll when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You know.
Main one right. Are you frontin' on me and on the main one right? Are you blaming on me and you're the main one right? Are you trying to leave it on the main one right? Just tryna be you everything. Main one right. Are you frontin' on me and on the main one right? Are you blaming on me and you're the main one right? Are you trying to leave it on the main one right?
When I'm with you, how can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You
Just kidding. What's up, you guys? I wanted to say I left you guys so abruptly yesterday, but I didn't mean to, okay? I did not mean to. I meant to actually hop back on after I cooked and stuff like that to say goodbye because I'm getting ready to end the vlog. I'm so sad about it, but I didn't film no more. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not even doing anything today. I'm actually going to spend the day editing and stuff like that so I can get the vlog out to you guys. But I want to tell y'all thank you so much for stopping by my channel, hanging out with me, watching this vlog. I really hope that y'all enjoyed y'all's time here today, okay? But make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl. I'm so sorry, I always look crusty every time I get on here with y'all, but I'm gonna work on that because we are working on ourselves. We are pouring into ourselves. You feel me? But anyways, you guys, I want to again tell you thank you so much. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next vlog. Until next time, may peace and love be multiplied, Kim folks.
Bad like that, you know. But I'm the one that ease your pain. I know.